akoko medawase na machia Honorable Maxwell mechia mebra penyini salam na maboma baso for dwuma de sonko amoye de boa Ghana titru asantima nyina so we de mechia atie for magibre a mutie Israel FM anopai akoko edikan me de achel pakese de bema Ghana akuafo nyina titru wona mo wa sentiment mu hanem sei enye easy say how mu komu omekum but minim say Jana was say take measures a bit me ratify and I say solve we once and for all on say de bia we ade na say o boka de bia na we ade na ekeba na de asem ba ensi ukwan so bit me think outside the box no wanya another solution out here okasa wo dey buy bit ma aboa ma bibia yeden akoso yi enti Ghana kuafo yesere mo fa ye bone ncheyen enye yen ne mum de ye beto ye ene bibi o man na kwakodu ena ma we nyina yeden aba akokwa you see cocoa board enye ne ene etise cocoa board odakamu. In fact, we have brain this if you are by more cocoa board no nyamfaso. Cocoa board no nyamfaso. And MPP buy cocoa board 8 years every year bia no mo de betum ye beboka say. And no mu free abamu cocoa board nko e ka mo de giant 32 billion cedis.
Yeah.
And it say MPP ni te ha no. I challenge MPP ni say ombo figure NDC yeko ye jaye e wosoro HMPP for 32 billion cedis no. Number two MPP aban omunye kuafo anya den andi ni ye enti no omo pese omo shada shift blame say oh NDC mo na mo se mo ba aban mu no mo bedu aban mu a Mubetu cocoa price mako 6,000. Say argument no mo making. Na we say honorable man so krat na aka bi. You see, omuka no maka say musimu ba mbetu mako 6,000. I challenge any MPP ni be including honorable Maxwell say. Only one government appointee and I said then NDC ni bi. Ah oka say ba betu mako 6,000 abra one fa international market price any inflation anka ho. I challenge him. Comparison my and say international market price gama so no se cocoa price no ekosoro a ehu won fa so se wo se eden yetum edi makuafo no sa na ne yeka ba mo time etime ko ya ko do 12,000 cedis even 12,000 cedis 12,000 cedis per just bag could do 12,000 cedis sa na mo di makuafo no so okasa we sumo exchange rate na wo dey check here. In fact, okasa we sumo say exchange rate na ko ya ko do 12 cedis kra so ka 16 cedis per 16 cedis. So okasa we 16 cedis no kra ubenya 192,000 cedis per ton. You know say 1 ton bia so then 16 bags. Into that means ubenya 12,000 cedis per bag. 12,000 cedis per bag no makuafo no say. Omo a little bit over 3,200. And I will find their soon. What I say? Now in this year, kasi a bar and ka ye be share world market price no. Ni a share inflation no. Ni a dia mercury for na. And na muti anum say kasi NDC for say by ye buy na ye the cocoa price be call 6,200. And disappointed be na kasa asem ni chire. Say ye buy ye be call 6,200. Abra wanka inflation and answer world market price anka ho. Mbet na mo ye no na free mu. And the problem be na da ho. Problem e da ho nyina ne say okọ eye dwama so a cocoa bo na yeden aba form unim say 4,200 no credit calculating na me say check about $3,700.
But is it not obvious say cocoa bo that's not the first time I ever fem and na utie ensenkai no so na wo kano from eye atofo and more comments on my I listened to some of the audios ebi wo hono mo a he has stated say prices ni baby we turn 9,000 something and so in case omo akuafo ne omo 6,000
yes
na omo ba they will ensure say omo be ye ne sa and those things na wo ho ye nyina ye tiase say exchange rate no it differs now and the world price is different but this is not the first time akoko buo ekofem world market it has happened before when you even compare 2017 2018 but that time na do danko akufu ado mo na ewo omo anti koko buo no so justification be na wo because in time memorial et so tekra na ban ebepe kwan bi so akuchin and it will stay at the same place and answer esonte adentina eni so world market price above fem one namon kushina is like you want to put it on the farmer say yente so abra it so obi bosu ya ketua na obekọ bank na ne de yese 3,000 age ne de ma 2,000 and I say be 1,005 sa shock no enko farmer no so because Matia to force in audio bi so no odade so aba and he talked about say yen ye ba ban mu akoko akuafo ye be ye mu yie ye kura de akoko ye betunwa ne ade a and na e ba fam a enya nwanwa is something that we must be concerned.
You know what MPP for no more here also what na waka biu let us say MPP na wo so a so be finding lasting solution to problems akuafo ekomu no o se nkan no so makopesika let us say bosia e na nkombe kwa akobọ you see okobo bosia na wo ba na wo said oh bosia maboy ene na abo ma ade na stabilize no abroka over 32 billion they are to honum etinka ono na dwimu na MDC e baaye no na nka bosia e kan da 32 billion no yensan ko Bank of Ghana ne yensan ko bo another bosia ne yenfam bran be stabilize na price na nyeden engina bebi agina se na be akuafo na nyeden ensu nyesa na wo pa kire enti e kan na ye body to o ma na ye wo de what boka we ato say person be sa ko Bank of Ghana ko bobusia e sara be makuafo no ene ma menka no kranchiro in fact Ibrahim Mahama kra say yen kwaje me ba or say me ba with reference no he's addressing even reforms na ye no reforms na ye no say ko you say Ibrahim Mahama direct say o make sure so bitua eye 50,000 na aka no obeka ko pe no tua free good e can reforms no bi nti se nya tua sa aka na that means if years na e wa animu no enya ade e beka se kwa bobu sia sawa bitua because reforms we be see ano kwan but they make another say
yeah but the challenge is that koko kana na e wo no mo ba koko board no mo be hu se kana wo dada and there have been several months Randy Abibai and this government has been in power for 1 year ye hu se kana e wo dada if say legitimate say you find a way of say a can no a car win here ye jisika no back and answer afa baby why not say you take actions earlier na ya twen ma abedum pempensui e na akuafo na be that branch
you see me de eba no eye say yen hwehwe mu asem na me de me ndo akra me tro me right up be me tro ka ho say me I blame me government me blame me government because enka honorable Maxwell ntimi betananum say and defending what am ko so kokobot enka ye baaye no ene starting say ye hwehwe mu na nkofo ma di bone no ye chi wo mu a enka menye sure say enka na MPP ni bi benya no akotena TV so asa defending what am ko so ye unim abufu sem bi sa wo mu kra me na me kind Public Financial Management Act me na me kind Act 921 no me wie na me section 53 no on section 53 ne say in fact say even cocoa board on say omo time fertilizers na wo so omo de makuafo no na akuafo no edeko gu koko ase e ma koko no yesu yie no on say fertilizer no mo je gu omo office ma fertilizer no proye no instead of say also omo ko parliament no mo ko share parliament no mo plan how omo say write off no omo akasa tenase with the board of directors and we a write-off of 23 million cedis. Any Public Financial Management Act in Ebobra. They make out section 53 make one you. Now when you know your name yahu. It's me no I blame my government. Me I'm not going to sit here and be say oh because of say my buy no power wanti. I was so much omo. Obi o di bono cocoa board. Be when came metna nkasa asem wi. Uni bibi. Cocoa price here me akọ for me, right? Me kita bibi o hanum say me pese wan kasa we dey o kai ma me, kai we ma me. at least with me kind 3 paragraphs short be crack kind man where they
I'll say africannews.com. Okay. Business news. So I say Ivory Coast cocoa industry in limbo as prices fall. Ivory Coast, the world's top cocoa producer, is facing an unprecedented deadlock since October last year, with prices plummeting on the global market. Exports have been slow and stocks are building up. The industry has been left in limbo, as Mati Sonda, director of Carbon Cooperative. Also today producers are dying. I may quote you know. Also today producers are dying. Producers are dying of poverty, even though they have products. They cannot afford to pay for medical care or to live. The day before yesterday, I'm okay, can't blah blah blah.
No, okay. I want to hear.
Okay, the day before yesterday, a farmer came to see me. He had lost his wife. He had sent us his produce, which we estimated to be worth at least 9 million, but he didn't have 5 francs to pay for his wife's funeral. Some that. Okay.
So what I say? Anyway, Ghana issue ngwana. First, na Ghana yes smuggle go. Yes, remember, please. First, na Ghana yes smuggle cocoa. The free Ghana had the cocoa d'Ivoire meboa.
Yeah.
I didn't because near some price near day. I was through. I didn't know enne. And young smuggle cocoa libi from Cote d'Ivoire bio. I didn't know smuggle cocoa libi and from Togo bio. Nini na aka kosi say bebia ahonchire wey e na ekoso bebia. Okay, could do as almost measures are buying so putting in place. And they are mitigating sa and nemo muko emunyina no. Ye buy unim say last year. Meba, please, meba, me once I can one for world market price as some ambao. See, and if I say world market price na 4,200. Meba, my phone say 4,200, and the who are be in the same people, who be in the same 4,000. Yeah, mama 1 minute. Meba, no, meba 1 minute. $4,200.
No, Uria.
Meba, I do our email.
He stopped
$4,200. On Chami, come before I calculate this account of my for no country near way.
Obet me at
what has to do on my email? Say $4,200 and send a card and people in the Milk. I would meet the Emmy and say, oh, say, we and can they are so back pay and come back and say, and defend this other way. And any idea, me, and the idea. Odia, in fact, your neighboring countries in United because of world market price na above from no. None above from no. Maybe say they be an person argument. You say the demo crab about 92% the demo. You win a bind say if that is the case there, then I was so ye bibia or the beko a Parliament House and beko Parliament House. Say world market price no cost automatically no. I was say a Kuyaninu, your money 70% of the world market price in the year. Unim say kan ne ni wosa de aban ne pe e no be decide sika we na me fa makuani no ba na de se da bi yan hwe amansan dwa so bol kosoro a automatically e kuani no so de ne be de be kosoro ye de sani ma we yina ba se na be ya kuani na be boa no again on say cocoa processing industry so Ghana hapa ba unim say last year I was listening to you Kopoku last year in fact o manya bean cocoa bean ba kokura nye de process it. And that Ibrahim Mahama say time as soon say ye di value ebeka a product ye di be kwa amanone ho titu koko we ho. And to say please you see o kasa na my din allow me to talk. And to say sa koko na and egu apaso no aye ba beto no 2,500 plus no. Sa koko na ban no to koko ni nyina na ye di be ma processing we no my de ma process it. Ento mu process ya na me your research bi yes we process cocoa no krampa and for so say nya wo so times 3 that means that we process cocoa be 2,000 na obetima nya be 6,000 e wo so 6,000 e wo so and for so mika sika mu percentage no and I think say e wo say nyina no ye embrace aban no decision wa take senka wo decision be no be take dey ko be kwa ya ne say me enko bobosia ni enfansie ni enfantua kokoko kwaefo no ni enka nkyerem no Ghana fo no hu ne say problem bi anya den eni honum and the problem na ba what I tell him say defend this hard way me I blame my government. That's the reason why I don't want to talk me person me kasa kokoko once because
I was starting you see the reason why I'm not actually heckling you so much as I wanted to do as I was starting you started on a note that it is wrong for that to happen. And I'm my win because
yes, it is wrong,
but there's no, you see, it's not me kind of reference. No, say you to me crano. At least case age now. Case age. Or so the auto me question. Auto me question. Neighbor. Ada who say the questions I ask you.
Ono say no, on say no.
How many? Me. I know say we dey.
No person pass am share.
I person or hard drink. Now there's no way you be to me I justify sad way at the expense of the cocoa farmer. 3 months before you enter this year. Maybe 3 months before see you year you na prices no enko fem te say the akọ femini entini wa kwanya say akuafo bebre ni bia kasa interviews na ne bi de egu ho those times ni nyina ya meto
roll over
ya meto na egu ho enti enti na ya ntimi ankoto na ya nkoto amoma nya musika ne saa ne mum kratch beka chense koko board man ni sika wo de beto nti wo de o mani mu no ko gisika na wa beto na o de kuani ndi agu ono expect say 3006 ni wana ne beba ne ni eso ate ne na eno no hawo no ye de beto no so because na nka enra wo to ya nka wonya saa hawo no. That's the problem now.
You see, once meka sembi say okọ omom to koko no once edure bi na Ghana koko no person beto because of price no e wo soro no. So onza na randi abi no make statement no.
Right.
Because of price na e wo soro niti no. Na mo e wo so mo toto yi ni na no mo person beto.
I didn't think e cost.
Oh, there be eno no chese world market price no bar form no.
Okay.
Na Ghana ye price no still 3600 no. Nti nipa no hwe ono no e dwa no odie. Ono so be di dwabo Canada enya ade obe do beto. Nti Ghana de no mo nto same way e na wo kan Cote d'Ivoire de nso so a omo nso so de aka egu ono ma obie hu opeso we den oto no. Nti ye issue a memet unim se we nka MPP for crisis here yan komo de be hye Russia ni oba yi. Kan we omo de be hye no. So na ma na mo de NDC on se blemu ko e blemu e bia
Russia ni be fa ma.
Russia ni oba ye ma se me
ke se ma no be fe.
Me se MPP for de be hye no. Na MPP for de ba no mo mfa hye. Enti me de me ka che kwafo no se yesre wo mo. Yesre wo bi adui emu odin. But I will say take these measures. Let me rectify and nema asini na ne correct na omunfa so omopeso munya subsequent years no. I think say they will get it. And I know say you are John Dramani Mahama ban. Enya dia obedi mu hwamo. Na me ka we na maka kire ma ban no so. MPP for no manya no mo kasa na me de enti amena me pese meka kokko no asem new. Nipa na nya no kasa de na wo sa we. Unim say we ya na course mess no. E wo say nipa no ma emra ni di. Emrani ni di na what na say oh your friend is 1 year me ka we ma ka che CEOs na maka no so ye CEO na say wo agency bi mu na so okoto rot na wote ho a e ho ba asem obi no communicator bi no be ka ho asem o ye be hwama Ibrahim de atwa so because this is the time I was say we expose enema okoto ye nyina nehu
okay
because wa nya ma ye hu a ye de ni say bibia ye den
right.
Now the end of the day, na after the enjoy a good one near mano. Na say after na okwa you wrote to the aba. Uni MPP for so me a very good about the defense. Any diabolic propaganda, they are very good. And to mislead these appointees no. So who say boni bi kwaso we say we enke hunu ntamo a ena nka obo hu ntamo sa audit omo so munyi. Mimi de kam kran audit na ka start da. Am ya start yi bi afimu. Because minim say edu minim say Michael edu by now can also yi questions bia no
okay
by now I was say yi questions bia no enti so etimi ntena se ehwe say bibie ni a eja ye na ba oh I don't there are certain things I don't even want to say it but I want my government to know say e was so mo de mo gina mo nan so no mo ye what is needful
okay
e was so mo bo man kan nyina no you see say we are be na ma na Ghana for 7 periods are losing interest of politicians mu no same people this we are the same meanwhile this is so people for no classmates ni ye prefects I feel am ba kura mo yes ye prefect aba na mamu mu a I feel am ba but ni ma be say na so mu equalize am ho say ni say the mayen
okay
in fact we mess am course hwe mess o ma create na ende honorable maso asa ba no say bonisem no say ka say oh NDC ye ba ye no ye ka say ye betu koko makosei me wan so wo ka no so amfa world market price ye ka say ye be hwe any inflation ye dey ayesa ade ni nyina and the world market price aye den abafom enti misre kwafo no emre ye do the more den by him so meet my copy with that unim say Ghana kwafo munim de chen ye unim won Ghana kwafo omunim de chen rough you know why minim kwani bia no smuggle koko e de Cote d'Ivoire.
But one thing I will say is a mon restore Emamon teso. That be one nyina hwa.
That be no
no something to cushion.
No problem. And something to cushion them. Solutions now in this for their bano. Solutions in this for their bano. Me catch them say I don't think say you better ko issues we move you. This MPP say ba move you. And I don't think say Ghana for who mess MPP before create a cocoa body. They will allow MPP to come to power again.
Okay.
And to na me catch say me say kwafo no. Right. Omunim nyansa papa. Omunim de che nyina ete anim say mu bi mu. Akwafo no. Na okwani only mathematics. Onu koko button e ba, onu make up kwani bi na me friend na mbisa that was era go for the time. Time otum call 2000 plus, time na 800 plus. Otum ko 2000 plus. Na mbisa kwani ni say. You see they say mo didi o. He say koko ya era go for two koko mo eden. Ama mo tasmo ka kire me. Osu koko d'Ivoire Cote d'Ivoire price. Kwani ni ka kire me Cote d'Ivoire price. Cote d'Ivoire for to much any rock for the no into no part de koko de e de obeko eye Cote d'Ivoire na koton and the kwani no emre chimene ne kasa was Cote d'Ivoire crowd Cote d'Ivoire crowd so sanye Cote d'Ivoire crowd so sanye enti enne eye mess am creative and wo why omunyine komu enti me ma eye honorable Maxwell akonya say formula na e da why dey calculate price ndi makuafo no and the omo time no if say $4,200 and the omo time no kwan best no so calculate and sika sen and odo makuafo no omo me hu no ma me sika aban no so dey e dey beko na MPP before nya sika ni nyina no so na fertilizers omo ton makuafo time na omo nya sika na so no na omo ton fertilizers makuafo NDC time near the fertilizers no mo free bonuses near the bonuses makuafo MPP mo time no mo makuafo no bonuses in fact your manifesto ni o hwe 2024 your manifesto 2024 manifesto yi o kai abridged version page 49 ye de tumu honum say akuafo no 1 we will ensure regular cocoa price increment in line with inflation and market trend.
Okay,
in line with inflation and market trend. This is our manifesto. Enti wo ba no e wo say inflation and market trend no enti market trend na say what time market trend ne say na nka obesi fa so dey calculate e dey makuafo no enti misrew akuafo ndo munim de chen munim say mo say niema ansa na moko enti eni kwa say unya no na ukasa but all the same hu akuafo no bi mu krampo mo boyro ma ba so say sad decision ya wa take board na say laji ba mi aso board
oni ma dey aya na ha me pa minim ade a na ha me metena komso echi say ya ade a na ha me pa politics of equalization. We ye ni senti me bedru ye no me yese ya ayese eya ade ane ha me pa yesa ade no se enka ebetumi a ki focus every sa dent ni mu ewura se what needs to be done now to save the people. And you did it late because for 1 year you see a year for investigation is late because all shall say even 6 months in your year and kasabre because investigations ye wie ebi obi awie sika bi akosie be kasabre kra yetimi akogye abeka ho amanka yetimi akushin. So who are we to blame? But the farmers suffer for this. That has been my problem. It's serious.
It is better late than what?
Mate.
It is better late than what?
Mate.
No, first of all, it's better late than what?
Enu kra de mintimi mfanso. Say dem metie. Say the asem ni see me ya no.
It is better late than never. Mintimi. Me man no adura ye den. Enyu no. Enti ye de ya nom.
Mate.
Ekuafo na nom. Me mu se me kuani.
Oh koko.
Yo koko e wo antwompo no anyinam so obi otem bia ni.
Ti usu sika so ate.
Yes, but there now beka. Because me na adeba kwa ma huni say subsequent years no. Me nya mfaso bebre.
Okay.
Enti I was say jam copy with a buy no.
Ado.
Yes sir.
Say unua no mu de. Wo hia wo mu say dia. Is it we